In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Trello Workspace view step by step. Whether you're managing multiple boards, collaborating with a team, or just trying to organize your projects more efficiently, switching and saving workspace views in Trello can make a huge difference in how you see and manage your tasks. If you've ever felt stuck in one layout or didn't know how to access a different view, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way so you can follow along in real time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello and productivity tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, you need to go to the board you want to access. Open Trello in your browser and navigate to the specific board where you want to change the workspace view. This could be a marketing board, a content calendar, a product roadmap, or any project board you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the correct board because the views you can access and customize will depend on the board you're currently in. Once the board loads, take a quick look at your current layout so you can clearly see the change when you switch views. Next, look toward the top area of your Trello interface and click on the option labeled Switch Boards. This is where Trello allows you to move between different board perspectives and layouts within your workspace. When you click on Switch Boards, a menu or selection panel will appear, showing you the available views connected to your workspace. This is especially useful if you manage multiple boards and want to see them in a more structured format, such as a table or calendar view, instead of the traditional Kanban layout. Now, click on the view you want to access. Trello offers different workspace views depending on your plan, such as Table View, Calendar View, Dashboard View, Timeline View, or Map View. Select the one that best fits your workflow. For example, if you want a spreadsheet-style overview of multiple cards across boards, choose Table View. If you're planning deadlines, Calendar View might be the better option. As soon as you click on your desired view, Trello will automatically switch the layout so you can see your tasks displayed in that new format. If the view you selected has not been saved before, you'll see an option that says Save as New View. Go ahead and click on Save as New View to keep this layout for future use. This step is important because saving the view allows you and your team to quickly return to this exact setup without having to reconfigure filters or layouts again. Give the view a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Once saved, it will appear in your Workspace Views list, making it accessible anytime you need it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Trello Workspace view and saved it for future use. As you can see, switching views is quick and can dramatically improve how you manage and visualize your projects. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.